Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, how to remove coupon from TEMU. But first, check your special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to remove a coupon from your TEMU account here and maybe use it in another time, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the TEMU app here and access your account. Go ahead and click on your cart at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the checkout button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in the checkout page here, you should be able to see a bunch of details about your order, but what's important here is going to be the apply coupon code section. Now, typically in there, if you already have a coupon applied into your account, it should show you the coupon code, but let's go and just press or click on the apply coupon code, and from here, you should be able to see the coupon code that you're currently using. So what you need to do here is you want to go and press the actual coupon that you're using right now, and you should see this pop up here. Now, in here, you should see the pop-up that says don't use or use option. Now, what you need to do is you just need to select the don't use option in here or in the pop-up, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and share button and watch our next video.